Greetings and welcome to another one of our videos. We'd like to invite you to listen to the last Voice of Yoga show that aired December 22nd, 2025. The topic of that episode was, We Are All Airline Pilots. Swami, your insights.
The purpose of incarnation is to glorify the Creator and not exploit personal sense. We do this when reflecting the divine idea by abiding in the truth of being. There's only one life, and it's perfect.
Looking to represent the divine self? Listen to the podcast. So visit the website www.ipdtransform.com. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful Kriyoga realization. Namaste.
Namaste.
Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnasya